Hey guys, in this video, we'll be showing you how to successfully complete your electronic organizer. Completing the organizer correctly is essential to your taxes being completed on time and saving you the most money. Let's get started. As an important note to start, your electronic organizer includes 4 sections: Sign Documents, Custom Questionnaire, Organizer, and Upload Documents. To fully complete the organizer, all 4 of these sections must be marked as finished. Each finish will be accompanied by an email confirmation. This is important because the whole organizer needs to be completed to prevent delays to your tax return. The rest of the video will walk you through how to complete these sections. First, you will receive an email from noreply@safesendreturns.com. You can click the Let's Get Started button in that email to open your organizer. You should then click Get Started and request access code to verify your account. This will send a code to your email address. Once you have authenticated, you will see a page with a message from Gallagher, Boson & Goodman. Read this message carefully. You can also see the 4 steps required to complete your organizer. You can click the Sign Document step to get started, or click here to continue. Click the Start flag to be guided to any required signature fields. Then, select the green signature block. There you can either type your signature or draw your own. Once all of the fields have been completed, you can click Finish to submit the document. Once signing is completed, you can continue to the Custom Questionnaire section. Answer all the questions. In the top right corner, you can see a progress circle showing how much of the questionnaire has been completed. You can save and close at any time and return to the questionnaire, or you can click Finish to submit the questionnaire to Gallagher, Boson & Goodman. Next, you can go into the Complete the Organizer section. To navigate through the organizer, you can use the arrows at the top, the arrows at the bottom, or the panel on the left. Any fillable fields will be green, so simply move through the organizer and complete the fields as necessary. As you can see, some of the pages have a paper and paperclip icon. This indicates that there is an upload option associated with that page. You can click to upload and either drag and drop your files, or click this box to open a file browser. You can also add notes associated with the form you are currently viewing with the notes box. You'll want to make sure you click Save so that the note becomes saved to the page. This note can also be deleted if necessary. Again, you can save and continue later, or you can click Finish and then Finish again to mark the organizer section as completed. Lastly, navigate to the Upload Document step. Here you can click to upload any additional tax documents you haven't previously submitted. You can download items that you have already uploaded, preview them, or delete them. When you are done, click the Finish button to let GBG know you have uploaded all necessary documents. Remember that if this final step is not marked as finished, that it could delay your return from being processed. Once you click Confirm, you will no longer be able to upload additional documents. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your electronic organizer. You can now download all your completed documents. If you need to upload more documents, you can reach out to your contact person at Gallagher, Boson & Goodman, and they will provide a link for you to upload anything you may have missed. You can click the contact person icon to see their name and email address. We look forward to helping you do your taxes this year. Thanks for watching and happy filing.